Here's the pitch. Swing and a miss, struck her out. And so Corning painted post takes advantage. Goes into the windmill, swing and a miss, struck her out. Second strikeout for Maddie Matthews will go back to work. And the first pitch, Maddie Matthews pitching for Lancaster, spells it the latter, M-A-D-D-M up. Here comes the 1-1 pitch. Swinging a pop-up, but back into the netting. It'll be. They've made it through Class C so far as that train officially leaves the station. Here comes the 2-2. On the inside corner for a called strike 3. Batter. Grover singled her first time up. And that pitch is upstairs for a ball, 1-0. So behind in the count here, 1 ball and no strikes. Whips it home, and that's straight back into the screen. On the west side of Rochester. The 1-1, swing and a miss. And 67 strikeouts. Add 3 more to the total today. The 1-2, in there for a called strike 3. The first base. Matthews ahead in the count, 1-2. Swing and a miss, struck her out. 3 strikeouts. There's 1 more that still needs to be decided. It's going to be right here at Gates Chili High School. Leading off is Maddie Johnston, the pitcher. She can not think about pitching for a little bit here. Matthews ahead here, 0-2. The pitch. Just outside, of course, a right-handed pitcher, but a left-handed batter. Awaits the 1-2. Swing and a miss on a nasty changeup. That Doan has not allowed a hit since the 3rd. The 1-2. On the inside corner for a called strike 3. 3 hits, 1 error for Lancaster. The pitch. Swing and a miss, struck her out, and Corning is down.